नमस्ते सब लोग, आपका स्वागत है। मेरा नाम डैनियल बकेस्की है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आजकल आप सब ठीक हैं। Now in English, hello everyone and welcome. My name is Daniel Bakeski and I am a rising senior at Yale, class of 2022. I'm currently studying electrical engineering, but I'm also pursuing the Certificate in Advanced Hindi Language with the fantastic South Asian department. Now, if you're seeing this video, that means that you've already taken the first steps towards considering a study in the Hindi language, and I'm making this video just for you. Learning Hindi at Yale is an experience that I would really describe as being a true privilege. The opportunity to be educated from the ground up in a foreign language with such complex historical and cultural ligaments, while being surrounded by phenomenal faculty, is really unparalleled. Not only that, but you also get to participate in language reinforcement events and programs that are native to Yale itself, such as the National Yale Hindi Debate. Before getting into all of that, though, a little bit about myself. So, I am a Brazilian American student of immigrant parents in the United States, and prior to beginning Hindi, I had absolutely no experience speaking, reading, or much less writing in the Hindi language. I had the privilege of spending several years living in southern India during my adolescence, but I lived in a region where Hindi was not really spoken, and so I never really actually picked it up or had much personal exposure with it. I lived there during some very formative and transformational years, and I was eventually inspired to go on to study an Indian language. And after hearing about the fantastic experiences of some of my peers at the program in Yale, I decided to give it a try. I mean, college is a time to try new things and things that you would never expect, so I thought, why not learn a new language and share in the fun? Right off the bat, I could tell that the program was for me. I mean, the level of support that I received from my professors, Simaji Khurana and Svapnaji Sharma, was unprecedented in my past experiences in foreign language courses. They were there to help me hit the ground running from day one. Always open for one-on-one tutoring sessions, integrating films and unique practices into the classroom, as well as constantly taking input from students on how to improve their course in real time. I'll be the first to admit that it can be somewhat intimidating, right? To enter a classroom to learn a new language that you've never really studied before. And I remember thinking the first day, oh my God, I was so scared of mispronunciation. Would I be able to keep up with my peers? Would I be able to understand the professor when they're giving out instructions? And very quickly, all of my concerns, all of my fears were quickly put to rest. I realized that my professors were extremely enthusiastic about me learning the language, and the program itself was structured in a way that benefited towards the students. The classes are separated into 5 tiers, L1, L2, all the way to L5, with L1 being the beginner's level and L5 being the native level. And needless to say, with my lack of experience, I was placed in L1, so I started off completely from scratch. And I was so excited and engaged by the program that I decided to stick with it, and actually I found myself going all the way up to L5 and a little bit beyond even. I even pursued study abroad through the Hindi program during the summer after my second year. And after completing that program, I received a credit that was equivalent to the L5 course in Jaipur. And after that, I had the option to pursue the Advanced Hindi Language Certificate. And I said, well, why not? Let's do it. I'm almost there, right? And so I had the opportunity to take two advanced courses, one with Swapnaji and one with Simaji. And I got to study everything from the linguistics of Hindi to its developmental history to its role in Indian pop culture and media throughout from the Middle Ages to today. I mean, just the variety of subject matters I was able to study in the language was absolutely fantastic. And all of this with the enthusiasm and support of the program, the department, and my fellow peers. Now, I want to take a moment here to highlight a very special opportunity that you have as Yale students studying Hindi at Yale. And that is to partake in the National Hindi Debate. The National Yale Hindi Debate was started 13 years ago by our very own professor Simaji Khurana. And since then, it has grown to the national stage, with schools as far away as the University of Kansas, UCLA, the University of Texas in Austin, all sending students to compete in a Hindi-based debate competition alongside Yaleys and students from local schools such as NYU and Columbia, just to name two. I participated in the debate during my first year, and it was absolutely transformative. I mean, it isn't every day, right, that students with one semester of experience in the language are given a platform to voice their original ideas, their own concerns about very complex topics in the foreign language itself. And the experience provided me with the confidence and self assurance to continue striving to improve my Hindi. And I also made some incredible friends and memories along the way. Since then, I've participated in every debate since my time at Yale, and I've even gotten the chance to be the debate's president and leading coordinator during my third year. So all of this is to say that by combining the enthusiasm of my professors with the engagement of my peers and these opportunities to expose myself to situations where I was actively applying the language in the form of the National Yale Hindi debate as well as the study abroad opportunity in Jaipur, I was able to grow in unthinkable ways. I mean, I went from being completely novice and not knowing anything to being fluent in the language in just 3 years. And I think that that experience is just absolutely invaluable. It was fantastic during my time at Yale. It really shaped a lot of my undergraduate career. And keep in mind that all of this is against the backdrop of me studying electrical engineering, which is a subject matter that's fairly well known for having a heavy course load. But to me, with the experiences I had beginning from day one, the engagement of my professors, the constant feedback loop that I could participate in, and just the enthusiasm of everybody in the classroom, Hindi was never really homework. It was an exercise in learning communication and being able to speak new ideas in a new tongue. And that was just something absolutely amazing to me. I hope that this video helps convince you to, give Hindi at Yale a shot, a real shot. Because I promise, if you do, it'll be an experience that you'll walk away from and never forget. It'll be an experience that you will learn a new language, but you also make a fantastic support network of friends and family at Yale. If you have any questions about my Hindi experience, feel free to reach out to me via my Facebook or my Yale email, daniel.bakeski@yale.edu. And thanks for your time. Really, I hope to see you in the classroom. Okay? Thank you. बहुत धन्यवाद और नमस्ते.